SurveyMonkey review. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you about SurveyMonkey. So let's get into it. Now, for those of you who don't know what SurveyMonkey is, SurveyMonkey is a website where you can create a bunch of different surveys, forms, and other options as well. Like, for example, you've got marketing research, product overview, you have some new AI options as well, and integrations. You can integrate up to 200 plus applications. And if you scroll down below, these are some of the popular ones that you can go ahead and get started with. So let's get into it. So the first things first, you need to sign up, and you can find the link in the description below. You can click on it, sign up, and continue on with the video with me, and let's get started. So we're going to click on the get started button over here, and then over here we're just simply going to create an account, either by just adding our email address or continuing with either Google, Microsoft, or Apple, whichever social you want. So I'm going to be continuing with Google, and here we go. So as you can see, I already had an account. I've already connected. As you can see, I've already created a few surveys as draft. So let's get into it. So signing up is pretty simple. Once you've signed up, you can go ahead and create your surveys by clicking on the survey button over here at the top. Here you've got your folders where you can create folders to organize your surveys, and I'm going to click on create survey, and here you can choose from scratch or copy an existing survey, build with AI, or pick a popular template, or paste your questions over here. So you can select whichever one you want. Let's go with build with AI, and here you basically just describe your option. So you want customer satisfaction, education, or employee experience, event feedback, or marketing. Select whichever one you want. So what I want to do is I want to go ahead and select this one. All right, insert into prompt, there we go, and then just simply hit the send button. Customer satisfaction, this is as an example, but you can create one yourself as well. And this is the survey right here. It's as simple as that. So then you can just simply click on continue, and you should be good to go. I just wanted to give you an example, but now let's go ahead and start from scratch, right? Give you a little bit more in depth. So we're going to click on start from scratch. It's going to create a survey for us, and here you can go ahead and start adding your contact. So I'll give it a couple of seconds and we should be good to go. So here we go. You can add your logo at the top. Here is going to be your title, and then enter your questions, and then you can choose what type of question is it. Is it multiple choice, comment box, single text, and all of the above. So just go ahead and select whichever option you want. At the left hand side, you've got your started themes. So on the left hand side, you've got your standard themes. So you've got the heritage, the simple, the full color, the high rise, the dewdrop. Select whichever one you want, and then just simply add your questions over here, and then select the type of question it is, and then you can go with some more options over here, and copy page and stuff like that, and then just hit the new page button if you want to create a whole new survey for different. All right, and then you can click on connect apps over here at the top. Connect your apps, automate your work with a Google Sheet or Microsoft Excel, or you can connect with Slack or any other options you want. Google Sheet is good as it will create a new sheet for you, and all the answers from that survey are going to be copied over there with all the information, who responded and stuff like that. And over here is your collect responses. Here is your link where you can publish it. Just simply copy it, send it to people, share it, and they can go ahead and answer it. And then here is going to be your results. So it's as simple as that. You can see how easy it is to use, no hassle whatsoever. I highly recommend you check it out. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure you check the link in the description below to sign up. So thank you for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.